How to fix WaaSMedicSvc error failed to read description. Error code, 2 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Restart Windows services. Temporary glitches in system services can sometimes cause the failed to read description. Error code, 2 message. Restarting the affected services might refresh their configurations. Fix 2. Run SFC and DISM. Corrupt system files can prevent Windows from retrieving service descriptions. Running SFC and DISM can help repair them. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If Windows cannot locate required DLL files for services, the description may not load correctly. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If the output is incorrect or missing, repair Windows using the repair install method. If built-in tools like SFC/DISM didn't manage to fix the problem, you can repair install Windows using dedicated installation media. Restoring your system to a previous state can undo recent changes that may have triggered the error.